Everybody, I just finished my commitment to traders research for the week ahead. I'm sick, under the weather, but that doesn't excuse me from putting in the work to prepare for the week ahead. So, what I found is that the energies are still set up for longs. You'll know that a couple weeks ago I was looking to long crude, and this is where I got long. So, you see, it's been a good trade so far. Now, these markets are still set up. So, crude oil, commitment to traders commercials, they're still very long this market relative to the last 6 months. So we still are okay to look for longs. They're actually close to the max long position that they've been in the last 3 years. Um, Now, also, crude oil is in a front month premium, meaning that the front delivery months are trading at a premium to the further out delivery months. That is a commercially driven bull market. That is bullish for oil, crude oil. Okay. Now, also the small specs are also still very, very short positioned relative to the last 6 months. So still good for longs. So this was the divergence entry I got on crude a couple weeks ago. Now we see that last week on Friday, we had the 18-period moving average entry trigger. So we've had two of three entry techniques give us an entry. Now we also see the Williams accumulation distribution index is closed over its 57-period moving average. That's the setup. Now we're looking for one more day to close above the moving average channel, and we'll have all three of our entry triggers triggered. Okay, I happen to catch the best one down here. The divergence will almost always be the first entry and will always be the best entry. It's also the highest risk, but it's actually pretty good as long as the market's set up to go up. So crude is set up for longs. Heating oil and gasoline both are set up for longs too, and they gave entries back a few weeks ago, just like oil did. Now, what's interesting about gasoline is the commercials are still max long the last 3 years, so their positioning has come down a bit from the high they were at a few weeks ago, but still very, very, very long on gasoline, and I really like that. Gasoline is also in a front month premium, so heating oil isn't. So crude oil and gasoline are in a front month premium. um, Gasoline. Basically, if I was to show you open interest, what's interesting about uh, that bit of analysis is that this whole down move, basically since here, we've seen price go down, and then the open interest has basically decreased. So the interest of the general public and the large speculators has decreased as it's gone down here, while the commercials got super, super long. So this market is set up for longs as well. So basically, there's nothing in natural gas this week. So it's basically, I'm looking for this move on oil to continue. If you follow my channel, you'll know that I posted a video with some cyclical analysis about oil, and my video, which I posted sometime back here, was that for crude should rally until about middle of October, which we're just about there. So basically, I'm looking for crude to rally till mid-October, supportive of this commitment to traders positioning as well. So that's what I'm looking for in oil market this week. Further upside, and that's it in a nutshell. So if you have questions about commitment to traders or any of my strategies, you know where to find me. Shoot me a message. If you like my channel, please subscribe and like the videos and share it with your trading buddies. And hope you guys have a great week and good luck and good trading.